What is NASA searching for? Exploring the frontiers of space and science. Since its inception in 1958, NASA has been at the forefront of space exploration, leading humanity's quest for knowledge about the universe, our own planet, and life itself. While NASA's focus initially centered on putting astronauts into space, landing on the moon, and furthering human spaceflight, its mission has expanded over the decades. Today, NASA is searching for answers to some of the most profound questions in science and technology, aiming to solve mysteries about our origins, the nature of life, and the future of humanity in space. 1. Searching for life beyond Earth. One of NASA's most compelling quests is the search for life beyond our planet. This search spans from our own solar system to distant exoplanets around other stars. Mars exploration. Mars has long been a prime target in the search for extraterrestrial life due to evidence of water in its past. NASA's Mars rovers, including Perseverance, are studying Martian rocks and soil, seeking signs of ancient microbial life and gathering samples to eventually return to Earth for detailed analysis. NASA's future missions aim to explore Mars' subsurface and even consider human expeditions. Ocean worlds. Apart from Mars, NASA is also interested in the icy moons of the outer solar system, particularly Europa, Jupiter's moon, and Enceladus, Saturn's moon. Both moons have subsurface oceans beneath their icy crusts, and NASA is developing missions like the Europa Clipper, set to launch in the 2020s, to study Europa's ice shell and underlying ocean for signs of life, exoplanets, and habitable zones. Beyond our solar system, NASA is searching for Earth-like planets in the habitable zones of other stars, areas where conditions might support liquid water and life. Missions like Kepler and TESS, transiting exoplanet survey satellite, have identified thousands of exoplanets, some of which are rocky and potentially habitable. The James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, is now examining the atmospheres of these exoplanets, searching for signs of biosignatures, like methane or oxygen, which could indicate life. 2. Understanding the origins of the universe. NASA's search is also focused on the origins of the universe, the formation of galaxies, stars, and planets, and the fundamental laws that govern everything we know. Cosmic origins. NASA has launched several space observatories to explore the cosmos, such as the Hubble Space Telescope, which provided unprecedented views of galaxies and stars. The James Webb Space Telescope, launched in 2021, looks even further back in time, observing the first galaxies that formed after the Big Bang. By studying these early galaxies, NASA hopes to understand how the universe evolved over billions of years. Black holes and dark matter. Black holes, dark matter, and dark energy are among the most mysterious components of the universe. Missions like the Chandra X-ray Observatory and upcoming projects like the Nancy Grace Roman Space Telescope aim to probe these cosmic mysteries. Understanding dark matter and dark energy, which make up roughly 95% of the universe, could fundamentally change our understanding of physics and the universe's future. 3. Advancing human space exploration. NASA's Artemis program is working to return humans to the moon by the mid-2020s, with an eye towards sustainable lunar exploration and establishing a base for potential Mars missions. The Artemis program represents a stepping stone for human exploration of Mars and beyond, with goals to conduct scientific research, test technologies for future deep space missions, and inspire future generations. Lunar Gateway. As part of the Artemis program, NASA is building the Lunar Gateway, a small space station that will orbit the moon and serve as a staging ground for lunar landings. It will support extended missions to the lunar surface and provide a testing ground for life support and propulsion systems needed for Mars exploration. Preparing for Mars. NASA is also conducting research on human health in space. testing new habitats and developing advanced propulsion systems. The research conducted on the International Space Station, ISS, has provided valuable insights into how the human body responds to long-duration space travel, an essential step toward human missions to Mars, expected in the late 2030s or 2040s. 4. Protecting Earth and studying our planet. While NASA's name is synonymous with space exploration, it also plays a critical role in studying Earth. NASA's Earth Science Division monitors climate change, weather patterns, natural disasters, and other environmental factors that affect human life. Climate change research. NASA has launched a series of Earth observing satellites that monitor critical aspects of the planet's climate, such as global temperature, sea levels, and greenhouse gas emissions. This data is invaluable for understanding climate change and its impacts, helping governments and organizations make informed decisions. Planetary defense. NASA is also working on planetary defense, studying near-Earth objects, NEOs, like asteroids and comets that could pose a threat to Earth. The DART mission, Double Asteroid Redirection Test, demonstrated NASA's capability to change an asteroid's trajectory, an early step in developing defense mechanisms against potential future impacts. 5. Advancing technology and science for a new era. From artificial intelligence and robotics to new propulsion technologies, NASA is constantly innovating to make space exploration more feasible and sustainable. These technologies have applications on Earth as well, benefiting industries from medicine to energy, propulsion and robotics. NASA's advancements in propulsion, including ion thrusters and nuclear thermal propulsion, aim to shorten travel times and reduce costs. Robotic technology also enables NASA to explore challenging environments like the surface of Mars or the ice-covered oceans of Europa, where human missions are currently impractical. AI and machine learning. NASA is increasingly using AI and machine learning to analyze vast amounts of data from its missions, allowing it to identify potential landing sites on Mars, detect subtle patterns in climate data, and even help guide rovers on distant planets. Conclusion: the infinite quest. NASA's search spans multiple domains, from probing the outermost reaches of space to studying the core elements that sustain life on Earth. This comprehensive quest reflects humanity's innate desire to understand our origins, protect our planet, and explore our potential to live beyond Earth. With each discovery, NASA brings us closer to answers about the universe while raising new questions, ensuring that the journey of exploration continues into the next frontier.